Hi, Bulldogs and families. My name is Miss Terry Wheeler, and I'm an intervention specialist at the elementary school. I work with kindergarten and first grade students. They come to my room for reading and math. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. I've been teaching for 27 years, 20 of them here at Milton-Union. I have two adult children, and I like to spend time with my family and my friends. I enjoy reading, I enjoy walking, I enjoy traveling, and my favorite place in the world to be is at the beach. So let me give you a short tour of our classroom. So this is where most of our learning will take place, is here at our horseshoe table. You will notice that the students' belongings are spread out to ensure safety. Each student will have their own basket. In that, they will have folders, a supply box with everything they need, a whiteboard, and their own headphones. So when they come to my classroom, they will not need to bring anything with them. When we're in class, when we're following expectations and being the awesome dogs that we are, the students earn stickers on a chart. When they fill up a row, they get a small piece of candy. And when they fill up the entire chart, they get in the prize box. And there are many opportunities throughout the day for them to earn stickers. This is our carpet area where we do our morning meeting and our calendar. We do take breaks and do movement videos. We do yoga, and this carpet gives us a soft area to do all of that on. We also have another table if we need to spread out or as our class grows. Also, we have our quiet area. Sometimes we need to take a break and regroup. So we are doing our best to we'll keep our social distance, and we'll wear our masks when we're in this room. So I am looking forward to seeing everyone soon. And before we go, I want you to know this is what my face looks like now. But when you see me, I will have my mask on so everyone is safe. So I will look like this. I'm looking forward to seeing everyone on our first day of school. Enjoy the rest of your summer.